gorgeous, elegant, ever young, pretty smart, eloquent, a pretty person. What more can I say? What more can I say? Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Big Bong Thomas. A round of applause for Big Bong Thomas, please. Please put hands together for her, please.
Thank you. You know, there's one thing that you need to know. What? Your name has changed.
Oh.
There are some things that will happen in your life that will automatically change your name. And tonight, or this moment, I'm saying to you that this time forward, you see things me in my face, Baba Beji.
No, I can't hear you.
Ọlọ́run ṣe fún ẹ. Ọmọ ní nínú lójú orogún, èdè ọ̀rọ̀ lójú ìyá ẹ̀, ọ̀bẹ kìsì bẹ́kẹ́ṣẹ́, ọ̀bẹ wọlé orí alákìsà.
Èkó mọ̀tò wà,
Gbádéwọ̀ yìí bà. Agbára yín akí gbogbo. Baba Beji. We greet you. You are highly welcome, sir. Agbára wọn àfikí Koko Zaria. Àyìndé tó ń ṣàwọ̀ Àyìndé, Aki Big London, Aki John Bush, Aki everybody, gbogbo Gbadu squad, Aki Toye Benson, Aki Sajomo, everybody tonight, Aki Owodikoko, everybody. There's something beautiful about this evening. You can see the event all very classy, sophisticated. This will tell you that tonight is a night like no other. That's just it. When you hear big tunes, that means Bruce's house. You know. That's it.
Long time planning and it's happening like a direct.
That's it.
The oil is not just beautiful. Everybody seated is off the
exclusive.
It will be an oversight.
Tonight, it's a beautiful night. Lee Johnson, is that you? Shake. Before we start anything at all, I can see my family coming in. Ogawa, Federal, all Nigeria.